1993 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. So just went over. It's running R134 now. Only had vapor pressure inside of it. And let's look at our pressures. We're at 24 psi on the low side. I don't have a high side hooked up because it has one of those funky high sides on it that General Motors put an abortion fitting on there that nobody else uses. Coming out of the dash, we've been steady at 41 degrees out of the dash. So here we are from minute 0 to minute 3. At minute 0, when I started up, 41.6 degrees Fahrenheit. At minute 3 going into minute 4, 41.3 degrees Fahrenheit. Outside temperature has been waving between 73, 81, 78, and that's just because right here, it's a little bit of breeze out here. And so as the fan kicks up and down, and the end here, the air has been going left and right in this area, not in one direction. So sometimes the air comes over here and I can feel the heat roll around here and it gets sucked back around here and the hot air will hit it. And then some of the times it'll be a fast moving breeze and it'll be the cool air that hit. And that's why, this is why you see the ambient air temperature floating all over the place, because the air is moving in different directions. It's not steady in one direction. And yeah, we are not moving at all. Oh, we hit 40 degrees Fahrenheit coming out the dash. Remember, this is a 90, oh, what the hell, 1993. So this is a 1993 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. This is the stuff I used to work on many years ago. And I used to know how to do the controls to get all the codes and do the air conditioning. I don't remember that stuff anymore. It's right there. These had lockout. So when these would sense a low refrigerant charge at one time, the AC would lock out. And it would say check AC or AC system or something like that. This is all the way back then. And that was their attempt to save the compressor so it wouldn't burn itself out by running low on refrigerant. And we're staying right at 25 psi. Our superheat's around 2.9. And no subcooling because I don't have the high side up. But if I took the temperature 119 and I went to a PT chart, I could get a rough pressure. So let's see, 119. Here's a temperature PT chart. It's all messed up on the bottom of the refrigerant container. But if I go down here to 119, there's 120, and I can't read that. At 120, it looks like it's 98 psi. Doesn't sound quite right, but that would be the temperature of the line, the liquid line. Which, yeah, that would be right because it would be after the condenser on the subcooling. That's the line I'm on. Now, if I wanted to get the pressure temperature of the discharge line, I would have to take my thermistor and put it on the discharge line, go over to the PT chart, and I could get the pressure temperature there because I'm not using a real pressure sensor, and the pressure sensor is located way down here instead on the discharge line. So that's it on this old Cadillac that is still running good. All right, see you guys. Oh yeah, valve core remover. Valve core. Take out the valve core, better vacuum.